Sumo Deadlift Techniques. Learn how to do the Sumo Deadlift in 2 minutes. Differences between conventional and sumo. Legs inside grip for conventional, legs outside for sumo. More lower back activation for conventional and more quad for sumo. Overall very similar in muscle activation. Try out both to see which is more comfortable for you. How to do sumo step by step. Walk up to the bar with stance as wide as comfortable. If not comfortable, pull your legs closer. Toes should be in line with your knees. Relax your arms and hang it down. Pull your butt back until your hamstring limits you, and then start bending your knees until you are able to grab the bar. From the side view, pull your back until your hams limit you. Start bending your knees until you are able to grab the bar. Use a double overhand grip first to train your grip strength, and then change to an alternate grip when your grip limits you. Pull back your shoulders and lats. Imagine a mirror in front of you. Make sure you can see the print of your shirt. Pull the slack off the bar. You should hear a click sound. From the side view, pull back your shoulders and lats. Hip level should be between your knees and your shoulders. Pull off the slack from the bar. You should hear a click sound. And then stand up straight while flexing back and glutes. Side view, same thing. Lower by pulling your glutes back and then bending your knees. From the side. A full front and side view. It's actually quite easy and isn't hard as it seems. Some common mistakes. Hips too low, it becomes like a squat with too much quad activation, or hips too high with too much lower back activation. Also, do not shrug your shoulders or bend your arms. Your arms should only be used as hooks.